Hello everybody, last video we spoke about fixing the boot after changing the swap file, and today we will speak about how to fix a swap partition and how to update grub, and most important, how to activate Hibernate into Linux Ubuntu 20.04. Before you complete, please subscribe to my channel, and if there is any comment related to this video, please post a comment and I will try to reply as soon as possible. First, if you didn't make the swap partition when you install Linux, you have to make it by gparted. Let's open gparted and go to any hard disk. I have unallocated hard disk. You assign it as swap file for Linux swap, and add apply. That's it. Now let's start with step number 2, and we should determine if our system is supported or not by pasting this command freeze mem disk, which mean that supported. No problem, you can move on to step number 3 with sudo blkid. We have to determine the swap partition and get the UUID number of that swap. I have two swap partitions, and I will use the one which assigned into SDA6. Okay, right now I'll take it and copy it, paste it into the text. I will use it later. Now you'll go to the step number 3, updating fstab by using this command. Okay, I have the older one, so I will replace it with the one I pasted in step number 3. So I will use it again, the bigger swap partition. Okay, I will replace it with here, paste. Okay, paste. Right now everything is done. The step number 4 is done. Let's close it by Ctrl X and then Y to save it. Now we will go to step number 5, with which we should modify the default grep files, and going with this command. This is very important because we have to assign the swap file we created, the swap partition we created, as a resume partition. We just edit this line, and after we put the resume ID swap file into after quiet splash. With this step, we close it and save it. By pasting it, we will finish the step number 5. Okay, Ctrl X and close it. Now let's go to step number 6, updating the grep file. Okay, copy, paste it into terminal. That's it. Now step number 7. We will copy this command into terminal and modify the resume partition, which is we have it right now, which I've made it before. So we have to check it if it is the same of our partition ID of swap partition. If not, we should copy our partition ID into this file and Ctrl X, save it, and this step will be done successfully. Now step number 8, enable Hibernate menu. It's very important to do this step right now. Just copy this command into the terminal and copy this text into this file you created right now by nano command. Okay, paste and Ctrl X, Y and save it. That's it. And now let's go to step number 9, which is logging configuration. We will change 2 values. I will mention it into the comment in the video description. Change it and then Ctrl X and save it. Okay, step number 10 and step number 11, you can do it by yourself. Thanks for you watching. I hope that you benefit from this video.